Good morning, third graders. It's Mrs. Farrell from Emerson and Madison. My son Patrick and I are going to do a number talk for you today using Steve Wyborney's resource, Splat. You did this a couple weeks ago with your number talks, but what we're looking at today is a splat that involves multiple splats. So we're going to go through two of those right now. Remember, you can always pause anytime you need to give yourself time to think, and then go ahead and share your thinking with those around you if you have something different than we have. Okay, so here we go. First thing we're going to do is figure out how many dots there are on this slide. Again, you can pause if needed. I know you can't see what Patrick's doing, but he's counting by twos. That's the strategy he's using here. 18. All right, Patrick says 18. Jack, my kindergartner, he also thought 18. What was your strategy?
I was using Patrick's countdown, and then there was just 4 more, and then I am 4.
So you were counting by twos with him, but then you had 4 more to add in. Okay.
10.
I actually, for me, I see groups of 4 sticking out. So I see these 4 here, 4, 8.
I think it's 19.
19. 4, 8, 12. And then I see 2 groups of 3, 15, 18. I think you were right the first time. I think there are 18. So however you saw it, let's see how many there are. 18 is correct. All right, there are going to be multiple splats that show up on the screen here. What I need you to do is figure out how many dots are under those splats. Since all the splats are the same color, it is the same amount of dots under each of those splats. So here we go.
3.
Go ahead and pause if needed. When you're ready, we'll have Patrick share his thinking. I'll share my thinking.
3, yeah.
You think 3? All right, Patrick thinks there are 3 under each splat. If you agree, think about that. Let's hear how Patrick came across that. You agree, Jack? Okay.
18
All right, Patrick.
divided by 6 equals 3 on each.
Oh, okay. So you pretended there were 6 splats?
No, I pretended there were 6 dots. And then 18 divided by 6 equals 3 in each.
Okay, so did you think about the 6 that you saw here?
Yeah.
Okay, so he almost broke it up into 3 groups of 6. 3 times 6 does equal 18. So he saw 6 here and then figured I need 2 more groups of 6. So that would be 6 on this side and 6 on this side. And then 6 plus 6 plus 6 would equal 18. And since they had to both be broken up equally, he's thinking there are 3 under each. Is 3 times 6 equal to 18?
Mm-hmm.
And 6 times 3 is equal to 18. So 6 groups of 3. Now, I was looking at it as I saw the 6 in the middle because I saw 3 and 3. So I do agree there are 6 there. 18 minus 6 is 12. So then I'm thinking there are 12 dots left over and divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. All right, let's take a look. 3, 3, 3, and 3. Very nice. All right, let's try the next one. How many dots are there, first of all? Again, you can pause if needed.
25.
25, you think? You agree? All right, I'm taking a look too. I don't know why the 4s are really standing out to me here.
I know, they were to me too.
Yeah, like these 4 are standing out. These 4, that's 2 groups of 4. 3 groups of 4, 4 groups of 4, 5 groups of 4. So I'm at 20. And then I see 3 extras here. I'm thinking 23.
I agree.
You agree? All right. Yep, there are in fact 23 dots. Okay, so think about what your strategy was. Share it with someone around you. And let's see what our multiple splats are going to look like. Oh, 4 splats again. Remember, they are all covering the same amount. You have an idea of how many there are under each splat. I imagine you're giving me a thumbs up. We'll hear from Patrick first.
4.
All right, Patrick thinks there are 4. Why?
23 minus 7 is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4.
Okay, so he subtracted the 7 that he can see here. 23 minus 7 is 16. And then how did you know 23 minus 7 was 16?
23 minus 3 is 20. Minus 4 is 16.
Okay, so he subtracted 3 to get to his 20 and then took away another 4 to get to 16. And then, yes, 4 times 4 or 16 divided by 4 should give us 4. That was my strategy as well. If you thought of something different, share with someone around you. Bless you. And I hope everybody has a great day.